This is the green list. Number 1, cake. I made a birthday cake and covered it in white icing. Number 2 is wheel. The wheel of my car got stuck in the mud. Number 3 is queen. The queen and the king sat down to have a large meal. Number 4 is huge. I just found a huge bug under the couch. Number 5 is bride. The bride is wearing a white dress and carrying a bouquet of flowers. Number 6 is cone. I will have strawberry ice cream packed into a cone. Number 7 is frame. I put my favorite photo inside a frame. Number 8 is twine. I used twine to tie up the tomato plants. Number 9 is pole. The flagpole holds the flag at the top of the school. Number 10 is mute. I needed to mute the TV so I could take a phone call.